These three people you are seeing here, Dangote, Farouk Ahmed, and the Kailani Mohammed, they are all Northerners. Dangote is from Kanu, and the other one is from Niger. I think Farouk is from Niger. I think so. And the Kailani is from Kebbi. They are all Northerners. There is a video that I want you to watch after I say what I want to say on this video. But since all this thing that is happening between some of them concerning oil sector in Nigeria, they have been dragging themselves. But I have not seen any Yoruba media or any Benin media or any Igbo media that is saying that Northerners don't love themselves. Or Farouk is trying to bring down Dangote, or Kailani is also trying to bring down Dangote. I have never seen such. Do you understand? If you watch, since all this while all this in the trend, three of them and so many other of them, they are dragging each other concerning one misunderstanding or disagreement. Do you understand me? I have never seen any media that comes out on this social media and be telling you and I that Northerners or Hausas or Fulanis don't love themselves. Do you understand? But watch this video first before I complete what I want to say. Watch this video.
Can Dangote tell us the source of his money when in the 80s when he was in Port Harcourt? Who is clean? Every time when you want to monopolize, you bring issues, allegations against people. Let him come and prove it. In the 80s, we are aware of what happened in Port Harcourt, how he got his money. Nobody came out and say all these things.
A few moments later.
Let me ask this question.
Okay.
After the interview, he asked his lawyers to write to you to make some clarifications or risk going to court, and then he's also asking for 100 billion damages. So he specifically made reference to what you said around Port Harcourt in the 80s. So what will you say on that?
Okay, I'm here to retract and give apologies. I'm concerned about the development that have followed my recent interview on this station. And I sincerely regret that my comments have led to misunderstanding and to a situation where legal action is being contemplated.
Now, do you understand what happened in this video? The first video, he accused Dangote of nobody is clean, that before he cannot explain where his wealth is from or something like that. And now maybe Dangote now press charges. Do you understand me? Involving court. Now the guy also comes out now and tender an apology to Dangote. But do you know the reason why I'm making this video? For some of you Igbos where they out there, where they give listening ear to people telling you that Igbos don't love themselves. That is the purpose of me making this video. Do you understand? Because every one of us in this country have problem. There is bad people in northern Nigeria. There is bad people in Yoruba land. There is also bad people in Igbo land. Likewise, there is also good people around all the tribe that is in Nigeria. Do you understand me? That is the reason why I'm making this video. Learn how to manage your emotion. Some people are just using you on this social media because farmer your weak points. Farmer need the too emotional as the only igbo. So they keep on selling that thing. Now, since if I need an affiocata between all these northerners, have you seen any of them comes out on this social media and be telling you and I that you do not have you seen any of them? So be wise.